Hello, students. I hope you all are doing well and keeping yourself safe. Today, I'm your English teacher is here with a new English grammar topic, and the name of the topic is adverbs. First of all, we need to learn that what are adverbs. Adverbs are the words that tell us something more about a verb. An adjective or another adverbs are known as adverbs. Or basically, we can say the words that are used to describe a word, an adjective, or another adverb in the sentence are known as adverbs. Basically, you can say that an adverb is a word that modifies or describes verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. And an adverb always comes with a verb, adjective, and other adverbs to describe them. Okay, for example, she runs fast. So fast is an adverb here because it is describing that how she runs. Second, the lions roared ferociously. Here, ferociously is an adverb because this word is describing that how the lion roars. Now we will learn about the kind of adverbs. So basically, there are five kind of adverbs. First is adverb of manner. Second is adverb of time. Third is adverb of place. Fourth is adverb of frequency. Our first type of adverb is adverb of manner. Adverb of manner answers the question how. How an action is done. For example, here you can see how does the lion roar. So, how an action is done here? Ferociously. Okay. Now, for example, the man walks carelessly. So, here carelessly is an adverb because it describes how the man walks, and as we have learned in the definition that how an action is done. Okay. So adverb of manner tells us that how an action is done. Our second type of adverb is adverb of time. Adverb of time answers the question when, or basically we can say adverb of time tells us that when an action is done. For example, after, before, early, late, soon, now, then, etc. These words are always used to describe time. Okay. So here is an example for you. Alex rode his horse last Monday. So here last Monday is an adverb because it is describing that when Alex rode his horse. Or you can say that when an action is done last Monday. Okay. Second example is he left early. So here early is an adverb because it describes that when he left. Third example, she woke up late. Here late is an adverb because it describes that when she woke up. Okay. So basically you can say that adverb of time answers the question when an action is done. Our third type of adverb is adverb of place. Adverb of place answers the question where, or basically we can say adverb of place tells us about where an action is done. Okay, for example, here, there, about, down, inside, up, near, below. These words are always used to show place. Okay, and as we have learned in the definition that adverbs tells us that where an action is done. Okay, for example, there are many flowers outside. So outside is an adverb here because it describes that where are the flowers. Okay, second example, he lives here. He lives here. So here is an adverb here because it describes and answer the question where he lives. The clerk is waiting outside. Here outside is an adverb because it describes and answers the question where the clerk is waiting. Where the clerk is waiting? Outside. Where he lives? Here. Okay. If you find the answer of the question where, it will be your adverb of place, or basically we can say that where an action is done. Okay. Our fourth type of adverb is adverb of frequency or number. Adverb of frequency answers the question how often or how many times. Okay, how often an action is done or how many times an action is done. For example, often, always, twice, generally, weekly, never, seldom, again, etc. These are the words or we always use to describe frequency or number. For example, he is often absent. So here often is an adverb because it answers the question how often. Okay, how often he is absent. Second, the magazine comes out weekly. So weekly is an adverb here because it answers the question that how often or how many times the magazine comes. Okay. So basically you can say if you found out the answer of the question how often or how many times an action is done, it will be your adverb of frequency or number. Basically, we can say that adverb of manner tells us how an action is done. Adverb of time tells us when an action is done. Adverb of place tells us where an action is done. An adverb of frequency tells us how many times an action is done. Okay, students, I hope you have understood the whole concept of adverbs. So, bye, students, and take care of yourself.